If you don't want to be confined to living in the shape of a square, you should probably be cautious of whether or not the shape you're living in has 4 corners, 4 sides, and if those 4 sides are all the same size. All rectangles are squares. There are many rectangles that are also squares, but not all rectangles are squares. All rectangles have 4 sides and 4 corners. In order to be a square, those 4 sides all have to be the same size. I didn't say squares were a bad thing. If your goal is to not be confined into the shape of a square, then it is a bad thing. Just admit that all rectangles are squares. It's really not that hard. It's not true. Although, granted, if you look at a rectangle that has 2 longer sides, and you start to notice that those 2 longer sides are getting shorter, you might want to be careful. Or if you notice that the 2 shorter sides are getting longer, and that those 4 sides are getting closer and closer to being equal, definitely be careful, because there's a potential there for it turning into a square. Nope, all rectangles are squares.